Hi guys, Kushal here. Welcome back to my channel, and in this video I am going to talk about Redmi Note 7s, which is Redmi's phone, and I have installed Pixel Experience on it, and I will be talking about my experience on how well this Pixel Experience is actually working on the Redmi Note 7s. So yeah, let's get started. So this is the Redmi Note 7s, as you can see. So I will show you how well it how well it is working on this phone. Redmi Note 7s contains Snapdragon 660, so it should handle it easily. So hello guys, this is Redmi Note 7. So in this I have installed that Pixel Experience Android 12, as you can see. This is how it looks. If we go into settings, Android 12 out of the box. It works smoothly on this, and SIM cards, internet are also working properly, no issues in this. Don't have any lags. It has 4 GB RAM, it's working fine. So that's how you saw that the Pixel Experience custom ROM is working well on this smartphone, Redmi Note 7s. So it is smoother than that of the MIUI 12. MIUI 13. I think it is MIUI 12.4, which was released, which was the last. So I installed this stock Pixel Experience ROM, and it is working perfectly smooth. IR Blaster is also working. Battery life is also very good. It has 4000 mAh of battery. So yeah, that's my experience with this Pixel Experience Top ROM. So thank you for watching this video, and if you want to know more about get latest updates about technology, you can subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more videos like this. Thank you.